I forgot to turn everything on. No. Connect. Open. Open. My scope working? Shit, no, it's not. My TV's not even on. Oh, so unprepared. Oh. Scope. Oh. Deactivate. Hey, Zern. I forgot to set up everything. Started before. Hello, TFN. I've just managed to activate it in time for you guys. So last night, well, yesterday, a customer picked up an item I repaired, and I had a message from him later on in the evening saying, "Hi, I forgot to ask, my boss dropped something off last year. Do you know anything about it? It's an air conditioning PCB." And I remember it well. Like, I do remember it well. Hello, Falcon. How's the back? A lot better, thank you. It still hurts if I maneuver in certain positions. I can still feel it slightly trapped, but nothing compared to what it was yesterday morning. So I'm glad I had a good night's sleep. Anyway, yeah. So I've had it for about over a year, and by then I would have disposed of it or whatever. And I'm like, oh crap, have I still got it? I don't know. I said, nah, I would have chucked that by now. I didn't want to reply to them, but I had to at the same time. So luckily, I was digging through my bag of motherboards and stuff, and I found it. I've still got it over a year later. So I've just given him a warning. I said I've had it for over a year. I usually get rid of items after 6 months if not collected. Yeah, I know. If not collected, and I said, I'm going to hold it for 1 more week. If not, I'm going to dispose of it. So now they've had a warning, but I've still got it. And there was nothing wrong with it. I couldn't find anything wrong with this. So they'd done that before. I think about 7 months ago, they asked if they could pick it up, and they never did. They just left it with me again. And then I moved house. And then since moving house, I've not heard from them since. Hello, Dirty Techie, Pico, Falcon. Who else we got? That's it, I think. Extreme Elements. So yeah, charge storage 300% for something small like this. So I am shocked. Yeah, it has got a bit of damage. These LEDs are no longer green. They've got like a coating on them, but they've worn off. It's ripped off, so it's got caught, I guess. But I've still got it. They're only bulbs. They could just replace the bulbs if they need to. I am super shocked. I was going to say to them, sorry, but it's been too long. It would have been disposed of by now. But still got it. So I've just found, hello CPU. So that's funny. Super shocked about that. Maybe because I was panicking. I'm like, oh shit, what am I gonna say? Blah blah blah. Not technically dirty tech. There is regulations around it. You have to warn the customers. You have to give them you have to keep records of giving them warnings and stuff like that before you claim it. But I've sold a speaker before. That's been well over a year and a bit now. I can't remember that big massive speaker that kept blowing the amplifier inside. But I repaired that and sold it for $250. Oh, Malak's Workshop. Good morning, James. 8-bit LT. Hi and bye. Goodbye. Yeah, so happy. I'm relieved, to say the least. So from now on, before I get rid of it, like that slushy machine, I've got that big massive industrial slushy machine. I'm going to message him today. Said hi. I'm going to hold it for another few weeks. If it's not collected, I'll dispose of it or I'll sell it. I'll sell it on. I'm pretty sure it's got no gas in it. It might have leaked because everything seems to be working. The what are they called? Solenoids are all activating now. Before one wasn't, but I figured out the reason why that is. The compressor's getting warm. It's just not cooling anything down. Hello, Fortifix, Simon Wise. Right, today it might be a small stream. I don't know. It depends how long it's going to take me. This is all I got in, unless I go back to that PS5, which I'm now getting different codes. Bogdan? Malax Bogdan. Is that your name? Malax Bogdan. Bogdan. I just made a post to share your channel. What? Another channel to watch? Ooh, let's have a look. Let's everyone look at his channel. Malak. I want to say his name's Malak. Go to channel. Oh, here's a new oh man, you need to start streaming if you're gonna do all this sort of stuff. Oh, okay, introduction video. Oh, it's a new one. Sharing knowledge is more important than just having it. Very true. You're from the UK too. Right, all right, let's everyone subscribe to Malak. You should do live streams. Everyone loves live streaming. Dim screen, OLED screen replacement. Huh? I can't do screens. Ooh. Hello, John. Wow, long time no see, John. How are you, mate? I need to change this title. So, I don't know how long the stream's going to be. It's been super quiet this week for some reason. That's it. That's what it says on the box. Let me zoom in a little bit. I don't know why we're so far out. Let's go back a bit. It's a bit too close. Hello, Tom. Farm Tech. Thanks. Yeah, nice. Everyone's still saying hello to everyone. Stop. It is Bogdan's channel. I don't know who Bogdan is. Sorry. No, I haven't been on your last two streams, said hello, but you ignored me. Then I cried to myself to say, oh, I'm so sorry. Sorry, John. I hope you're well, mate. I hope you're well. I need to sort my camera out, actually. Is it this way and he's twisted? No, the other way. Like that. So I'm more centre. That'll do. Hey,
I've got a really small one.
Have you, James? Right, so this works. He replaced the battery. He said it works, but it's just not weighing. He said you can stand on it and it'll activate, but I'll probably break it if I stand on it. How did they do it? Did they just drive the wheel onto it? So that's interesting. I reckon it's a broken wire. I don't know how you get into the battery. Interesting, isn't it? And subbed. Nice, good. You know who he is? He's often in your chat. Damn it. Ricochet, hello. Andy always ignores me. I do. Sorry, mate. Plus, he loves all the nut milk alternatives. Who does? Oh, does he? What? Do you weigh more than a caravan? Potentially. Yeah, I feel like it. Well, he loves to ignore chat. I don't. So I need to talk about stuff, and I don't. By the time I get back round to chat, it's all wafted off my screen. I haven't got 6 screens like Russ. Okay, so I guess that's the battery compartment. How you get into it, I don't know. Don't look like you slide it up. Well, actually, it does. It's quite flexible there. Do you just pry it out? Oh! With a hammer? Yeah. Oh, there you go. That was easy. Max 1,000 kilograms. Oh. So a ton. Caravans weigh... I thought caravans weigh more than a ton. Right, let's have a look. He said there was battery corrosion in the compartment. So we changed the batteries. And then it's not working. But, to be fair, it don't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad at all. So we need to get into it and have a look. See what else may have been damaged. Oh, it's Kodak. Oh, yeah, they feel really cheap, though. You thought it was vodka. Nah, they're made of cheap, flimsy shit. Oh, right. Shit. Right, let me undo these. They are done by nuts. So I'm going to have loads of nuts everywhere. Lovely. Caravan average between 800 to 2. So why is how is this only 1,000 max? Did that nut come off? Yeah, it has. I don't know when the nuts come off. Oh. Okay, but they don't take long to spin. There you go. It's going to be fun to put these nuts back on though, isn't it? And then you've got 2 more screws at the top. The weight depends on what you put in it. But all right then, what about why do you even need this? Certain places only allow you to be under a certain weight. Ah, shit, my back. To get across. No worries, Pico. Said a bit. I wonder if it would measure the weight of all those nuts. Don't know. Big screw there. Yeah, I was thinking maybe that company that asked about that board was hoping that I got rid of it and I was about to buy a new whole air conditioning unit for them or whatever it was. Whatever it's for. That's what I reckon they were hoping. Weight limits for towing. Oh! Makes sense. Yeah, some campsites are wet and boggy, so I guess they will have a weight limit. Oh. Right, let's get rid of these screws. So I still got like some leftover screws over here. I don't know what they're from, but they're leftover stuff. Out of sight, out of mind. Oh, here we go. What have we got going on? Oh my god. Well, okay, I could flip these sideways like that. There we go. So why are you not weighing? Whoops. How? Is this magnetic? Okay. Yeah, I guess it's magnetic. No? How's that stay in there then? Oh, I see. Yeah. I see. Okay. Well, from a glance, things look okay. Don't look liquid damaged. Wires seem intact. Has damaged the load cell. It has damaged the load cell. Oh, hello, Simon. Has it? Got a bit of wind, Andy. Who has? Don't get caravans personally. Hotels are cheaper in the long run and someone else cleans up your ship. Yeah. Okay, let's have a look under the scope. I still don't think I've set this up yet. No, I haven't. Actually, don't look too bad. Wait, has it saved the settings? Maybe it has. It is still set up. Oh, okay. That's good. Let's have a glance, see if we see anything. Physical. It's only a small little board. Hope it's not that. What's a load cell anyway? I have a caravan, just load it even and it's great. Oh, right, is it? How often do you use your caravan? That's the question. Right, it all looks good that side, so I'm wondering if... It wouldn't be the other side. I mean, it looks mint, doesn't it? Does that just pull out? I would have thought it would. But it feels like it's being stopped by something. Ah, No, there's 2 screws. I guess I could check continuity first, see if these are reaching. Yeah. That's probably the best thing to do. Did I put the other bar in there? No, I didn't. Where's it? Oh, there it is. Around 30 times a year. Andy, you got a PLD ring light, right? Yeah, I got both versions. But I tried it on this. One, it doesn't fit because mine's only like that wide. So I have to adapt it big time. And when I do, there's just so much glare. These things are like £200. That's crazy, isn't it? Andy, try to power it up first. It may be batteries. I've already powered it up, Rico. It works, but it doesn't weigh. Let's check the voltage of the batteries. I bet they're probably fine. If they're low voltage, then I'd cry. I always test stuff before I open them up. Apart from PS5 sometimes. 1.5 or 1.6 even. Yeah, 1.5. The batteries are fine. No, don't be sorry. Suggestions welcome to an extent. Right. Shut up. Right, let me... Oh, yeah, I was going to check continuity, wasn't I? Seeing if these are even working. So from here... goes there. This one goes to the opposite. Oh, wait, that's touching as well. Why is it on both? Is it because of the centerpiece? No. Oh, I need to get that out, really. I don't understand that. Why is it reading both? Is it because I'm slightly touching the disc? Yeah, probably. Maybe. Anyway, that's touching. This is the other side. Not getting any reading. Oh, it could be this one. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's not reading both, though. Oh, hang on. Yes, it is. Okay, so what's the third one for, then? What? Two there. Two to there. Oh, batteries. This is the batteries. Okay. Is it completely dead, or weight is just the weight 0 kilograms all the time? A load cell is a transducer that converts force to weight into a measurable electrical signal. Yeah, but is the load cell these, or is it a chip? I'll have to look that up. Hello, Dreams. What are you laughing at? I guess it's the actual main things, the main weights, these. Wires go into it, I'd imagine, yeah, so probably these. Why both of them fail? It makes no sense. So we know that's all working. Battery terminal's okay. Yep. Yep. Oh, what else are we saying? Okay, nothing. Right, let me get into it a bit more. Let me check the other side. Might be the cable to the top plate of this. I'll have a look. I'll have to pop them out and have a look, but let me inspect everything else first. Ah, nothing on this side. That's a shame. Also a good thing at the same time. Is there a cable going? Yes, there is. Yeah. Oh, I didn't see that. Yeah, there is. Oh, I didn't see that. GG. I thought that was just like some sort of magnet. Yeah, it could be that. Sensors are bad. There, maybe tar is infinite. Damn it! What's tar? That's what I meant. Oh, this thing. Yeah, there's a wire going to it. Load cell is basically a coil inside that changes resistance when bent. Okay. Ah. Wait, what? It's literally just resting on it. What's the point in that then? What if it wasn't touching properly? Weirdest thing I've seen. Based on that resistance, it calculates the load. That is weird. Let me see if I get a reading.
Work.
I don't know exactly. I know. That could also be the reason. Well, it's touching it, isn't it? I'm wondering if I should put a blob of solder on that so it has a little bit of oomph to it. Hello, Pitco. It is weird. If I put if I tin the wires a little bit, it will give it that extra gap. Let me go around checking for stuff around here anyway. I need a ground. That looks like ground to me. No, it's not a ground. Let's do negative on here. No. Where's the ground? That must be ground. What? They're not sharing the same ground. Test point total. Okay, we've got test points. Diode mode test points. Maybe deck. Don't know what deck is. Nothing. Nothing. Okay, maybe that's not ground either. Ah, shit. This could be ground. No, that looks like it's positive. These dots? Ground? No. That's got to be ground. Yeah, these big pads here got to be ground. Still no reading. What is going on? Check load cell resistances. Yeah, I will in a sec. I don't understand why there's no ground on here. Okay, that doesn't seem like it's... That must be ground, that side. 1.4 volts. 0 volts. That's 2.495 volts. Why have we got 0 volts on there? Don't know. 0.4 there. 1.4 there. Have I got a short on the 2.4 volts? Whatever the hell that is. Ah, there's the test point ground. Oh, there you go. No, it's fine. I've got an actual ground. 0.6, 0.5, 0.7, 0.6, 0.5, 0.6, 0.6. Now these would be fine, wouldn't they? It's got to be a wiring issue. All right. Measure resistance on the coils. It's kind of hard unless I could pry them out. Which one? Both of them? Or let's try both of them. Can I get it out without damaging? Yeah. Oops. Can I get that out? What? These are weird. Why is it like multi-layered? Get out. Okay, that last one I don't really want to try and get out because it's quite in there. Measure the board at the end of the wires. Alright, I'll check the one that I haven't taken out yet. It'll be these two. We're in ohms. Don't know what I'm looking for. 2.1 meg ohms. Oh, and then it goes open. No, 10 meg ohms. I guess if I move it, will it move? Will it change? Yeah, it does. Oh, for God's sake. Hello, Swindon Electronic Repairs.
Yes, hello there. I have a tablet, S890.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I don't do screen replacements. Alright, thank you, bye. Smashed tablet screen. Thanks, I pick that up. Yeah, pick it up. Thanks, I pack that up. Yeah, pick it up. Don't pull them to pieces. BBQ sounds amazing. What? Going to pour myself another rum and coke. Oh God, Paul is amazing. He designs stuff based on real world, real cause uses. Yeah, he does, doesn't he? That is my next ring light, is it? Yeah, honestly, Nano. I watched that video for NanoFix, and yeah, it was pretty good. Like nothing ever happened. Like, when does it change? I bet there's a lot more to it rather than just this. It's got to be something to do with the magnet as well. Yeah, too late for that. I mean, alright, so we've got 10 meg ohms there, and this one is also the same, pretty much 9.2. It's fine. Yeah, these are fine. I wonder if it's something to do with those wires. That's so strange. Maybe if I bend them up a little bit. I'll be back. Everyone would have buffered then. I think we're back. OBS did the disconnect, reconnect. Oh, when you finish moving your shop, maybe you could have a short trip to... Gone. Missed it. Okay, we're back. Thank you. Alright, so this needs to go in. I need to take off one of these bars. It'll probably work now. One bar. 2 bar. This bloody seat of mine. There you go. What? Mute you or not me? I'm not muted. Booze is not an issue. Just need to plan the meat for the barbie. Hello, Baldrev. Barbecue tour. I'm sorry, but I wish I could accommodate all of you, especially that 2 days ago with my... No, congratulations on your birthday. Yeah, sounds fine, TFN. Your YouTube might have to refresh. Bless him. Okay, let me see if that's done any different. How the hell am I going to stop that metal bar from collapsing out? How come it was stuck down earlier, now it's not? What? The fudge. Oh, got a trapped wire. Get in there. Any more trapped wires? No, it seems okay. Pop in some batteries. Make sure it is getting the correct voltages to it. From one end to the other. Wait. 3.1. That's not right. Why is that not right? Ah, 4.7. Yeah, there you go. So it's getting enough voltage. Let's have a look now. Ugh. I mean, ow! Pinch myself. Still reading nothing. What? Thanks, Andy. What for? None even the buttons are working, though. It's the YouTube player. Don't know what he's saying thanks for. I still think that's bloody weird. Oh, 2 seconds, got a message. Hi Andy, at 54, are you in? Oh, hello. Yes, 2 seconds. I'll meet you at the door. Oh, a customer. What's this for? Don't know what it's for.
family. Bleh. Bleh. Bleh.
Andy's the best.
I know, I'm trying to. It's raining. I don't know why people want to come in all the time. I know it's raining, but I've got a shelter above their head. I've got a power supply for a mobility scooter. Oh, shit. Sorry, guys. I like to talk. Thanks for birthday wishes. Oh. Got you. Oh, that brain dead. Yeah, it's weird. There's no... I hope it's not the microcontroller. Like, does anything get warm when I turn it on? Maybe I'll put some 5 volts into it. Yeah, let's put 5 volts into it instead of using batteries. Or 4.5 volts, that should be enough. What we at? 4.7 because I'm feeling saucy. Right, if we look at the bench power supply, turn it on. Only 12 milliamp draw. I don't know if it's turned on or not. Yeah, it's on. Okay. Oh, did it read something then? I swear I saw something change. Probably not. Don't know. Assuming that the transducers are both okay, then the fault is probably with an OP amp or a comparator on the board. Yeah. I thought it was going to be... corrosion somewhere. Oh. Nothing's going to get warm at this current. Christ. Nah. Is this nothing? Just lots of reflections. Oh, actually, no. The main MCU's, I think, slightly warm in it. Yeah. Slightly warm at the MCU, which is probably normal. Yeah. Is there a reset button? Surely taking out the battery would reset it, but I don't think there is a reset button there, no. Weird. Maybe if I manually put this over there. This wire. It's not going to touch it, is it? There. Is it going to change current? No, it's literally brain dead, isn't it? I think they're potato chips on the board. Whoops. Right, let's turn them off. Yeah, let's have a look at the chips. Try and identify what they are, what they do. So we got this one here, which is a Max 942. I can't read that. Oh, there you go. Max 142. Wow, why do the colours look weird? But that's really bright. My settings are not done. So 180, 170. White balance level 3. Saturation on 70. And exposure a bit more. There you go. That's how I like to see it. Right, let's have a look what that is. Oh, fuck's sake, you beat me to it already. High speed dual channel low power analog comparator by Analog Devices. Thermal Master have sent me a P3 to try. Oh, nice. Hello back. Hey mate, do you have a link for the pads? What pads? Link for the pads? What? You commented on that? Oh god, people are still watching that video. The PS5 speaker contact for this the speaker contact thing, pins. That was like my first video I uploaded. Okay. Let's see if there's any abnormal readings on that. Probably not going to find anything. At least we've got a test point ground, which is good. So we've got 0 volts there, so I guess that's ground. 0.8, 0.6, 0.6. Stop chatting a sec. 0.4, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. Yeah, it's a comparator. I have no idea what a comparator is. Well, we've got 2 of them anyway. Oh no, there's a different one. Texas Instrument, whatever that is. I'll look it up in a sec. So that's ground. 0.5, 0.5. That's weird. It's reading open line on there. Guess it's a no connect. Pin 1, no connect. Open line on there too. What? Nah. 0.4, maybe, yeah, maybe they're no connects. 0.5, and another open line. So it's only like that one, and that one. Let's see what this is. Look, it's an OPA. What does that mean? OPA 348A. Here we go. Why has it got an X on it? OPA X348. Okay. Rail amp operational amplifier. Low power CMOS operational amplifiers. What the hell's one of them? ADC input driver. .1 volt to 5.5 volt. I don't quite understand what that is. Yeah, they're all no connects. Voltage in, voltage out, and ground. Only pin 8 is no connect. I don't know what you're looking at. I'm looking at pin 8's no connect, pin 5's no connect, pin 1's no connect. I mean, look at measure voltages quick. Let's have a look, see if that's getting all the correct voltages. And plug it back up again. Sorry, I still got a cold and a bad back, but or chest, whatever it's called. 4.7 volts. So pin 2 is voltage minus, pin 3 is voltage in plus. So pin 2 is minus. I don't know what I'm going to get there. I'm reading nothing, which is weird. Pin 3 is nothing as well. 4, 5, pin 6 is voltage out. Oh, I'm in diode mode, you donkey. That should be, yeah, there you go. Pin 2, we're reading 2.4 volts. Pin 3, we're reading 2.4 volts. That's weird. And then output, we're getting 3.7. So I'm assuming that's correct. Could follow the traces. Where do the load cells connect on the board? Like down here. Follow the traces to what? So these 2 are connected. No, they're not. Yeah, they are. The 2 negatives are connected, which makes sense. The positives, I don't know where they go. You reckon it's a load cell issue? It's whatever's connected to the load cells. Okay. But let me see if we're getting voltage at the load cells. Where's my ground pad? So let's try this one. We're getting 2.4 volts to that. And then this one, 2.4 volts as well. And this main big pad, we're not getting anything. Metal plate. Are we supposed to get voltage at the metal plate? No. No, we don't. I thought it would be out. Don't know what the hell metal plate's for. Don't that amp signals the processor? I have no idea. Alright, let me do continuity and try and find out what the load cells are connected to. So if we start from this one, where are you connected to? The transducers generate voltage also. I don't know what the transducer is. Right, let's have a look. What are you connected to? I know you go there, but then when do you go? You go to any of these chips? You probably go for resistors and all sorts. Nothing up here. Maybe it's all on the other side. Interesting. So strange. I'm going to have to literally take the board out, ain't I? I don't know where it goes. I'm going to have to literally manually follow it. What? That's the load cell. It's piezo transit. What, Carthor? Check the OP amp. It won't be connected directly to the processor. Op amp. Is that the bit at the beginning? Oh, hello, Ariane. It won't be connected directly to the processor. Yeah, it'll probably have resistors or something in between. But even if I keep prodding around, Carthor. Oh, yeah. Even if I keep prodding around, it should still come up to one of these components. Oh, I'm just going to have to take it off and have a look. And follow it. Ugh. OPA is an amp. Well, it's not going to that. Where is the OPA anyway? Yeah, down there. Well, it's going into it. I'm getting the voltages to it. But it's not even going to the OP amp then. It should be coming out to pins 2 and 3. But then 5 is output. So it's still not connected through that way. So it goes through there. Whoa. Then where does it go? Through that test point. Eh? Oh. No. Oh, it goes to here. How did it go to that button? It's through there. 2. Let's hurt my back. There. Then it goes to there. Out here, it goes to that resistor. Right. And then it goes past the resistor. Then where the hell does that go? Is that resistor any good? Well, it must be. It's getting voltages. Fine. So then it goes to that resistor. Oh, and then it disappears. Is that going to ground? No. Yeah, this is tricky to fix. I don't understand why it's disappeared from that resistor. And then it goes. The OP amp's working though, because we're getting voltage in and out of it. Yeah, that's working fine. But the resistor I'm talking about is this one. Like, that looks like it's going to ground or something, but it's not being read as ground. Okay, but it goes straight to the OP amp. It goes to that leg. That's where we're getting voltage from. Is it a dual OP amp? No, it's singular. So if that one goes to that, where does the other plus go to? So the other plus... Oh, it's not... Yeah, it's no, it's not joint. Let's see if it goes to that same resistor. It does. So both of them go to the same things. Both positives on these sensors, or whatever you call them. I forgot. I just got here too. Did you? It's just not weighing anything. Let me put a blob on this wire. I'm really confused about that. Put a blob of solder on it. Just so it has something to touch against. There. That looks pretty good. Whoops. Must have burnt through my solder a little bit. Hi, Mike. Good morning, or good arvo. Good arvo, mate. That's the wrong way around. Oh, fuck. It's weird, I feel more rough today than I did yesterday. Rough. You fucker. Forgot about the screen. I would have thought, Rick, that's not a silly question at all. I would have, he said if you stand on it, it should activate. But surely it should recognize at least a kilogram. Okay. Oh my god. This is the most stupid design ever, I'm sure of it. All these stupid wires everywhere and stuff. Doesn't seem right. This is stupid. Fuck off, multimeter. Pee me off now. That metal bar is just going to fall directly on top of it. Yeah. Okay, I got it. Right. Anyway, I could push more than a kilogram. Oh, these batteries. Let me just screw it down a little bit. Slide a blade under it. Under what? Oh, I see. So I could just pull it out afterwards. Yeah. Okay, is one screw enough? Yeah, I think it is. Okay, good. It would be fun if it worked now. Let me stand on it. No, still not weighing anything. Oh, hang on. What's this button do? It's changing front. Okay, let me change the settings. Oh, still nothing. What's the total button do? I don't know. I guess it measures all of it. Yeah, still nothing. Who says you're fat? What? You on the moon? Oh. You'll get that crap that presents like a sinus infection, but ends up being pounding headache and upset stomach for days. Just got over that crap myself. I feel like it was COVID 2.0. I don't know, Adam. Hello, by the way. It started off with a sore throat. Then I had a cough. Then my chest was hurting. Then I had a fever. Then I had the shits. Yeah, now it's just a runny nose. Now I've got a runny nose and a cough and a pulled back. Is it Bluetooth? No. Who says you're fat? Who said that? One at a time. Oi! Andy, you on the moon? I don't get the moon thing. Trapped nerve, yeah. It was working, and then he said he had battery corrosion. That's the scale I need, pushing over 22 stone. I'll be there soon, don't worry. I'm stumped on this one. Anyone have got any ideas? So did the customer... No, I think he just cleaned the battery compartment, EDM. See you later, mate. GT Auto. By Malax. This is a weird one.
And he's the best.
Why is it not detecting anything? No, Tom. I'm not in the right frame of mind to doing that anyway. Not yet. All right, well, let's move on then. I guess without blindly replacing components. We're getting power at that OP amp. Don't know about the other chips. Maybe I could check for voltages on the other chips. That's all I could check, see if there's voltages on
Family.
each chip. The wire going nowhere is strange. It's touching this metal plate. Why it needs to be pressed against the plate, I don't know. Some sort of Hall effects. Still echoing, for fuck's sake. I know why. Didn't know it was echoing. Nobody told me. Yeah, now it won't bloody echo. Check what? Check what, Carthel?
I've got a really small one.
Have you, James? The voltages. What, of each bloody chip? Okay, so we've checked. We need to check this one then. What's the pin out for this? Max.
What?
9142. Eight pin VCC. Thank you. Let me have a look.
What?
Right, so 8 pins no connect according to that one. Where are you getting 8 pin no connect? Oh, you're looking at a different one. SOT 23, SOT 20. Why is there different ones? Oh, yeah, I see. One's a 9141, one's a 941, whatever it is. What's IN? Oh, man. What's IN mean? Input bias current. What? Okay. Let's see if we're getting it on pin 8. Let me inject voltage again. Power ON. Oh, Russian nut. What have you done to your logo, man? Is there a fuck off, Russ? I'm not doing schematics. I doubt it. I'll only jump on a schematic if somewhere's not working or not getting voltage. Then I'll look at the schematic, see what else it's connected to. Okay, so pin 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll be that one. We're getting 2.4 volts. Oh no. Fellowship of Faith. Who? Hello, Swin Electronic Repairs. Good morning. Oh yeah, yep. Okay, that's good. Depending where I could order the part from, it could be about 3 days or it could be just over a week if I have to order the part from China or somewhere. I think you provided me a link to the charger anyway, didn't you? I mean the port, sorry, not the charger. Yeah. Yeah. But they all got different pins at the back of the USB-C port. That's why I need to check what one it's for. So what was the laptop again? The Lenovo. Yeah, I don't think I actually. If you could send me the model number, I could see where I could source the correct USB-C port from, and then I'll be able to get back to you with a rough time frame because I might have to order it from China, or I could maybe get it from the UK, depending if they're in stock anywhere. Do you have WhatsApp? That would be easier. If not, yeah, if you could just send them via WhatsApp, picture of it. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, it would do. All right, thank you. Yeah, I'll let you know as soon as I receive the pictures, and I'll quickly look it up for parts. All right. Thank you, mate. Bye. Lenovo USB-C. Been there, done that. Expensive paperweight. Is it? It depends if he's got ripped pads. PCI, please. What? Jesus, the first quarter of your income. What? Anyone been following the Reckless Ben Lego situation? No idea. There's 54 in chat. What? And only 20 likes. Thanks, Mike. Oh, you're on about you measured pin 5. No, I didn't. Where are you getting pin 5 from, you silly Carl? Oh, yes, I did. Sorry, my bad. Right, let's do that again. Right, pin 8. 3.7 volts. I'm sure that's enough. VCC is getting voltage in. Yeah. All right, next one. Let's go look at this big, massive 8-legged, whatever, 16 legs, maybe. It's a 7. Oh, God, which one do I go by? Top, middle, or bottom? Pin 16 VCC. What? How do you do that already? Have you already been looking them up? Pin 16. Okay, let's try pin 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Yeah, we're getting voltage 3.7. That seems normal as well. That's receiving voltage, if I could get it on there, yeah. 3.8 actually, it's like 3.79. It's the 74HC series. Oh, hello Cheapass, how are you? Okay, the next chip, let's go. Actually, it's the last chip, this one down here. Quick, I'll get there before you do. T431B. Oh, it's a regulator. Low dropout linear regulator. A newer version of this product is available. Input. What? Damn it. No pin out. Why is there no pin out on their main page? Programmable reference datasheet. What's that mean? Weather makes me not getting hurt. Yeah, I hate the weather, man. We complain when it's too hot and we complain when it's not. Right, okay, so I've got... Here we go, I've got it here. Cathode, anode, no connect, anode, cathode. Well, that don't really tell me. So it's diodes in it. T43. No, I'm looking at TL. Is that not the same thing? T431B. Oh, that's a TL431. I don't know. So a voltage reference. It looks like it's a TL431. But yeah, it must be a TL431 then. Adjustable shunt regulators. Yeah, there it is, yeah. Cathode, anode. So I guess I'm just going to have to measure voltages across all these. Anode being negative, cathode being positive, I guess. So apparently... It's this one. So pin 1 is cathode. Guessing that's pin 1. Well, I'm getting 0.3 volts on it. Wait, or am I getting... Piss off. Don't be my door. No, I'm getting 0 volts on that. Why am I getting 0 volts on it? Let's try a different one. Reference. I don't know what reference is. Reference is getting nothing. Anode. No, it should be the negative part of it. Getting nothing. I'm getting nothing on any of these. I am still connected to power. Nothing. 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 I'm getting 0 power to this chip. Maybe no, it's off. There's test pads around it. Yeah. You say no, it's off. Oh yeah, there's no amps. Why is there no amps? Why is it turned off? Oh, I also turned it off. I might have a timeout on it. It goes back on. Thank you. Right, let's try again. There you go. 2.4 volts on pin 8. Nothing on that. Nothing on that. Nothing on that. Pin 1. We're getting 3 volts on pin 1, so that seems fine. Nothing on that. Nothing. Oh, no. Nothing on that. Nothing on that. So we're getting 3 volts at pin 1. And pin 8, we're getting 2.5. And then that's it. So only pin 1 and pin 8. Bit weird. Let's have a look. Pin 1 and pin 8. Cathode and reference. Yeah. I don't know what ref means. Reference, ref. Threshold relative to common anode. Okay. Anode normally connected to ground, yeah. Reference input current range. Ah, right, okay. Yeah, so they all seem to be getting the voltages then. I haven't checked this little thing. RC1F. That's going to be a mission to find. RC1F. Datasheet. So CMOS rail-to-rail general purpose amplifier. Bye! It's reference output, yeah. Okay, so this is voltage in on pin 1 and pin 3 is minus in. Pin 5, pin 4 is out. So I need pin 1 and pin 4. Pin 1 being of the 3 legs. Don't know which one's which, but pin 1. Is it still on? Yeah. Pin 1 is maybe this one. 2 point... Oh, it's jumping all over the place though, isn't it? That's fluctuating everywhere. And that is. It's going 2.5 to 2.9. It's jumping everywhere. That's weird. What about this? Is this stable? 3.7. Why is this jumping everywhere? Oh no, it's that one. Yeah, that's not stable voltage. It's going 2.5 to 2.9 all over the place. So why am I getting readings on of input plus and input minus? 5 volts VS and 4 is out. So these two top ones should be out. But it's not stable neither, is it? Oh, that is, yeah, it's stable out. Maybe that's normal then. But that's all over the place. What is VS? I assume that's going out, but what's VS? Because that, so all three of these are fluctuating like crazy. Voltage source? Oh, maybe. Yeah, that makes about right. Yeah, sounds about right. If I show you on the multimeter, you can see how unstable it is. Actually, let's go to this point here because that goes to it. Look, it's all over the place. And the VS is stable 3.7. And then the other one on pin 1, I guess, is still fluctuating everywhere. Do you reckon that could be the cause of it? Capacitor or voltage reg. Hello, Don. Yeah. Capacitor or voltage reg. Now this is where you need schematics. Custom builds. I'm going to be a lot more difficult now when it comes to finding a job. Yeah, no, this is going to be annoying. This is where, like I said, schematics would come in handy to see what else that's connected to. But even this is fluctuating everywhere. Is it fluctuating because of this? I know we get input, but what's pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pin 6 on this chip? I forgot what it was now. So it's a 348A, 348A. Pin 6 is voltage out. How does that work out? Voltage out. So it comes out of that. Is that stable? No, it's not. Why is it unstable then? Three's in, 6 is out. Okay. Let me power it up again. 3's in, 6 out. Pin 3, stable, was 2.5. Out is all over the place. Could it be this? If they don't want to call me in for an official interview, then I won't be interested. I'm so tired of these places calling me in for phone interviews. Oh. You got to check in plus and in minus. Well, on this chip, Carthor. On the upper amp. Upper. In plus and in minus. I did check them. They're both stable. So that's pin 2 and 3. Legend, mate. He's going to let me know when the weather clears up. He's going on the bike. I'll ping it to you soon. And he says wait, what? I don't know what that's for. Yeah, it's stable 2.4. Stable 2.4. But going out is all over the place. Could it be this? Which is affecting these two? Or could it be this that's affecting this? If I take it out, will it might stop it from working? Yeah, it's the OP amp. Upper. Yeah, pin 2. Potentially. See, this is what's annoying. Now I'm gonna have to probably. Yeah, it's OP amp. Yeah. Which one of the two do you reckon? Take out the U8 chip and power it on. Let's see if it stabilizes. See if the output's still the same, or if it fluctuates. You're checking pin 3 every time. What are you checking on? No, I'm not. I checked 2 and 3, you donkey. Didn't I? Look, I'll show you again. Pin 2, 2.4 volts. Pin 3, 2.4 volts. Pin 5, no, whatever this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pin 6. And that's fluctuating everywhere. What do you mean pin 3? 1, 2, 3. So pin 2, 2.4. Pin 3, 2.4. But I checked both car 4, you little shit. Aggie level 3. Lift pin 6. Why, what does 6 do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, right, yeah. I could lift pin 6. That'd be easier than taking parts off, wouldn't it? Yeah, I'll lift up the pin instead. Good shout. Right, I've just got to do something for a customer quick because he has WhatsApped me the images. What? Lenovo ThinkPad L390 Yoga. And he just sent me a picture of a USB port. I mean, a USB cable. I know what a USB-C cable is. It's the pins behind it. Right, can I get a Lenovo ThinkPad L390? L390 Lenovo USB port. Yes. £7. Is that from the UK though? That's expensive. Just for a bloody port. Yeah, I don't have them in stock. Is that from the UK? Yes, it is. Okay. Got mine from Find Out. It was a Thunderbolt one. Yeah, this one isn't Thunderbolt. It's just a standard USB-C. Port was cheap. Postage was awful. What on? Find Out? Yeah, I bet it was. I went through 4 ports before finding the right one. Well, this one says it's for the L490. Lenovo. Wait, it's not a ThinkPad. Is it? It's a Lenovo Yoga. Why is it saying it's a ThinkPad? Is it still a ThinkPad? Is Yoga still ThinkPads? Oh, it's even cheaper there, look. £4. I've ordered from UK Tech before as well. L490. What's wrong with the port? You have to put it in certain angles for it to work. So it sounds like it's coming off or broken inside. Yeah, it's even cheaper. But why is it saying it's a ThinkPad? Well, that's not saying ThinkPad. I'm going to go for that one instead. They do Yoga ThinkPads. Ah. Wait until you have the port and compare it to the listing. Yeah. Oh, God, thing is, he phoned me up, so I can't remember what quote I gave him, and this was quite a while ago. That's what I hate about over the phone quotes. 968, 968, 968, 968. Have we messaged him? No, it's only a phone. 968. I think I probably quoted him. I'd give him a new quote now. I'm going to have to blow my nose. Right, there you go. Gave him another quote. You'll probably say, I was higher than last time. But yeah. Yoga is the same screen, full back. Oh, yeah, I've done a Yoga 7, I think. Battery. Yeah, that's the one you helped me fix, James. One, I replaced the power button, and then it died on one of the MOSFETs. Yeah, let me lift up pin 8. Does it turn on there? I think so. I don't know. If it's rip pads, then I'll give him more. I'll requote him. Right, let me... Okay, power's disconnected. Pin 6, yes, thank you. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. Oh, I'm going to have to take some painkillers as well. My back. What? Wow, that Lega thing is mental. What Lega thing is mental? Would love to get mine looked at again. What? What are we referring to? Feels like I'm lifting the leg up. Don't want to push it across. And now I can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna have to use my super fighting tweezers. I think my your USB. Oh. There. I think that's lifted now. I think I did lift it. Don't like using my tweezers for that. See, now I've fucked my tweezers. Look. I mean, they're slightly squiggly anyway. I'm fed up with ordering these. They're really good, but they just bend so easy. There you go. It's a bit better. We'll break the trace.
Oh,
Now
no.
I've done it. It's fine. Let me see if it is lifted. Can I get this under there? No. Wait, now it's lifted. There you go. 100% lifted now. It was on a strand of solder. Cool. Titanium ones don't bend, they break. Yeah, but I need really thin ones. I use thick needle. All right, let me power it up. Let's see if we're still getting fluctuation. 3, 2, 1. Continuity. Oh yeah, all right. I'll confirm with continuity first. Good shout. What? How? That's in the sky. There's no way that's connected now. Unless it's connected through a different way. No, there you go. Now we're not connected. GG snaps the leg. Yeah, I probably would do, yeah. Thank you for that. You saved me a little bit of, yeah. Chase, like, being like, no, that's not fixed it. Right, voltage mode, powering on. We have power. Let's go check for voltages now. Now we have stable 0.5. 0.5 volts. So it's stable now. Let me check on the actual pin here. Stable 3.7. Eh? Oh, no, I'm not getting anything. Is it turned off? No. Maybe I'm not getting stable 3.7. No, I'm getting no voltages. I thought this was supposed to be voltage out. Yeah, 0.5. Solid 2.5. So that's stable now. But I don't understand why this isn't output. There you go. 3.7 solid. Stable. Oh, and then it goes. Why does it disappear like that? Hey, A, snap the leg. I'm not snapping it. Stick leggy out real far. What? My multimeter probe's working alright. I think they should do. Yeah, I'm not getting any reading on that now. 0.5 volts and a stable 2.5. Left leg out, left leg in. Something overheating, pulsing. I don't know because the current's not really going everywhere. Yeah, we're getting nothing out now on here, which is kind of odd. No voltage out. N's 2.7. Minus 2.4. Oh no, 2.4, sorry. Oh, this test point's shit. I'm going to add solder to it in a minute to help me get a better connection. See, now it's dropping. Why is it dropping? Is it turned off? No. Now I'm losing voltage. 2.4. 1 volt, 0.9. Ah, restart it. U2 is problematic.
What?
Yeah, let me measure it now. I've just recycled the power. 3.7 solid. Then it disappears. So it's 3.7 and then it went. And then this is dropping now as well. But this one's fine. Eh? 3.7. Now it's a solid 3.8. And this is... I don't understand. I know what these are though. The data sheet for this chip is voltage plus and voltage minus, and that's voltage out. The rest are like... I can't remember what the rest are. Check pin 4 is VDD. Is it? You may be looking at the wrong one. Pin 4 is not VDD. Hang on. Okay, thanks for that. I'll look into my diary when because Thursday I could do terrible measures. Okay, thanks for your time. Right, what did this guy say? What's this for? Oh. He's going to let me know when the weather clears. He could go on the bike. I'll ping it to your banks. Okay. Great. So he's going to get someone else to pick up for him. But he's going to get someone else. He's going to pay for it when he's on his way. Just do it now. I don't understand. It's negative supply. Yeah, it's pin 2 and 3, which are voltage in, voltage minus. And then pin 6 is out. Oh, pin 2 is voltage in minus. Pin 3 is voltage in plus. and then 6 is out. But then you've got pin 7, which is voltage plus. What's pin 7 reading? Still on? Yeah. 3.7. That's fine. That's almost 3.8 solid. This is now reading nothing. This is a bit suspect, isn't it? Why is this now reading nothing? Now this is reading nothing. Oh no, it's not. 2.4. 2. I don't know why that drops when I touch it. Because it's getting pulled down to ground, maybe. 3.7 now. Solid 3.7. What? That's solid 3.7. Pin 7 VDD, yeah. And now I've lost it again. I don't understand this. Why am I sometimes getting voltage from it and sometimes I'm not? Getting nothing. 2.4. That's dropping. 3.7. Oh, so I'm getting 3.7 from the top of the leg. No, I'm getting 3.7 there now. Yeah, they are, Russ. Yeah, I checked that. Pin 8 is VDD. Yeah, pin 8's fine. We're getting like 3.7 volts on that. No, I'm now getting nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, pin 8's nothing. It's no connect. Yeah, pin 8's no connect. Pin 7 is VDD, being 3.8 volts. Now I'm getting 2 volts on here. What the I'm so confused. No, 0.5 volts. 3.79. Solid. But is that touching? I don't know if that's bent back down again. No, that's definitely lifted. 100% lifted. Lift up higher. Probably end up snapping the leg. No, that's definitely detached. 100% detached. Hang on, is that broken inside there, look? Is that why I'm getting a reading and sometimes I'm not? Do you see it the movement? I'm probably not, but it's not touching. Phil, fluctuation in voltages, but also when I'm trying to test, the voltages are going all over the place. It's very random. Turning it back on. Right, final test on this chip, and then that's it. 0.5 volts. Top of here. 3.7. On here. I'm getting nothing. Why am I not getting nothing at the end of this leg? Up here, I'm... Oh, no. See, now I've lost it again. I've lost voltage. I've got no voltage again. And I'm not touching the other pin. I'm nowhere near touching that pin next to it. 0.24, 0.28, and then it slowly drops. Oh, now I've got 3.7 again. Now I've lost it again. Nope, now I've lost... I am confused. Could it be a calibration setup once turned on to be set as after 0? No. What are you saying? Sorry, no, I'm looking at dictionary now. Pin 8 is video. Pin 7. Data, IT website. I'm so confused what you're saying. I see my mate Vince bought himself a dim bulb tester. Did he? Oh, you should have built one. Could it be that sensitive and it gets pulled down when you're measuring it? Yeah, probably. Sid. Oh yeah, thank you. I remember. Oh, so could it be this chip that's acting up? Because I bet if I measure it again, I'm going to get 3.7, and then I'm going to lose it again. No, now I've lost it. I've got no output. .4, 2.7, then it drops, and then we've got nothing there. Let me reconnect it. This is making no sense. Unless it's got a broken leg internally and it's an iffy connection. Because IN is changing, the V out should change. Should it? Power on. Check resistance of U8 pin to ground. Oh, voltage. Yeah, now it's fluctuating everywhere. What about this one? Getting nothing on. Oh yeah, I am. Now I'm getting a solid 2.4. 2.4 solid. But the output's all over the place. I'm still thinking it's this. Checking the resistance won't show anything. Don't know why you want me to check resistance to ground, but I will. We've got megohms, ground, kiloohms, kiloohms, kiloohms. So this one's megohms. 1.2 megohms. Seems pretty high, to be fair. U2, in my opinion. Yeah, I'm definitely thinking it's U2. But it probably isn't. It probably won't be. What the hell am I looking at? The wrong data sheet. Sorry, I know it's pin 7. We know it is. I'm measuring. I'm getting a solid 3.7. It's this one here. Not that one. It'll be this one. Can we see the data sheet? I could post a link quickly in chat so you can see which one it is. Control H for history. And it's this one. Copy. Paste. That's the OP amp. And what does that do? That's for frequencies or something, isn't it? What does that OP amp do? CMOS rail-to-rail operational amplifier data sheet. So confused what it does. A series of amplifiers are single supply low power CMOS operational amplifiers featuring an extended bandwidth of 1 megahertz and a supply current of 45 AU. Don't know what that is. Useful for low power applications on single supplies 2.1 volts to 5.5. There's an input bias current of 0.5 PA makes the OP blah 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 series an optimal candidate for low power applications such as smoke detectors and other high impedance sensors. It amplifies the signal. Right, okay. Thank you. Makes sense. No, it can boost the signal. Oh. So what is connected to pin 2 and 3? Don't know, but it's stable voltage. If I lift up pin 6, we get stable voltage. Ah, pin 2 and 3, what's connected to that are these things, the big main discs. Yeah, it's connected to the 2 sensors. Pretty sure of it. I think it was, wasn't it? Continuity. So we go to plus here, it goes to there, and then that goes to that resistor, doesn't it? Yep, and then through the resistor, it goes to that amp. Yeah. What about the negative one? Don't know where the negative one goes to. It goes to this resistor, to this cap, and then I don't know where it goes. I don't know where the negative one goes to. Yeah, it's coming from them or amplifying it. Depending if it's a non-inverting or inverting. I would expect pin 2 and 3 will connect to pin 6. Oh yeah, they are. They are connected. According to the data sheet, you can see. Whoops. You can see it's sort of connected, yeah. Because that's all there is. Well, actually, that's a lie. Pins 2 and 3 are connected to pin 6. So we're getting stuff on pin 3, but we're getting a mixed voltage all over the place from pin 6. But then it's stable when you lift the legs, but then it disappears. I don't bloody know. It's not making any sense. I'm going to have to blow my nose quick, guys. I'm sorry. Hello, interesting things. Just got to blow my nose quick. Sick of bloody shit. We don't belong. I guess it's because it's picking up nose. My nose is, yeah. Don't know if you've got time to spend on this, but using a scope could measure the transducer's output in voltage when you apply pressure to them. That microvoltage is amplified. What? Who did that? What about my scene? My scene's fine. How's your back? It's okay. It's still hurting me every time I breathe in that. I can feel it getting slightly trapped, but nothing to compare to what it was yesterday morning. Like last night, no, not last night, but the night before when it first happened, 2:00 a.m. I was almost crying. It was in that much pain. It was stupid. Really badly pinched. I'll try yours first, 8-bit, and then Phil, I'll get the oscilloscope out and see if I can measure anything. But let's go into ohms first. But the thing is, why would both of them be damaged? How am I going to do this? So we got, I think I did try this already. So we've got 154. I'll put pressure on it. It's not really doing anything. Now, does it need to have this wire connected as well? Probably. A metal plate. I don't know what this metal plate has a wire for. It's fucking weird. Why would... Let's try that now. Yeah, you can see my multimeter still. Let's do this one instead. 154. Press it down. Not really changing, is it? No. That hurts my back. Tape it on there. Oh, yeah. Tell you what. Yeah, the wire has to be connected. All right, let me use my super thin Captain tape. Oh, that really hurt. Pressing down. Crapton. No, this is good stuff. I don't even know how you open it. There you go. It's raining, raining. Oh, baby, it's raining. Looks like a weird colour. Where the power goes into the board, the voltage plus connection, what is the black? What? Yeah, that sticks down really well, yeah. Doesn't stick too good to metal. Where the power goes into the board, the minus voltage connection, what is the black? Don't know what you mean. Like a burn. Black mark. Oh! It just looks like flux. Just lots of burnt flux. That's the battery connectors there. And these are the P's. P1, P2. I use LCR for low impedance. What? What are we measuring? What do you mean? Yeah, I'm not getting any resistance changes on these things. They're just always 154. Put pressure on it. Nothing. What about from end to end? We're in the megohms. Actually, is it changing? I think it is changing. Look, 8.9, put pressure on it, and it goes, I don't know, it changes slightly. That's hurting my chest because of my back. Let's try this one. 8.8, put pressure on, and it changes. So it is reading something. 8.8 or 8.9, pressing down, and it goes up. So it is reading, yeah. Just touch the metal plate with no pressure. What? What do you mean? Just touch the metal plate. No, it does nothing. Yeah, I get it, Sid. If I put pressure on it. Maybe if I lift it up like that. Yeah, that is doing something. It is changing. 8.9, 9.4, 9.8. Yeah. So the sensors are working, which they go straight to the OP amp. And then from there onwards, it goes all over the place. Oh. Turn it over and look at the display, see if it's changing. It really isn't. It's not even powered on. Let me try it then. Power it on. We've got power. Here we go. Is it going to change? No. Yet nothing. 0 kilograms. I'm sure I'm pushing more than a kilogram down on it. Even if I lift it up, put pressure on it. Nothing. 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 Say op as a word. It means operational. Alright, got ya. Yeah, it's although it's registering in there, all the resistance is changing. Wire is off now. Oh, yeah, it's fine. I don't think it was off when I was pressing down. It should still change slightly, which it's not. Oscilloscope. Oh, I hate using this thing. Especially now it's not audio, so I guess I'm going to have to measure it in DC, not AC. What if whole time the wire was dislodged and just needed to be placed back? Which wire? There's like 5, 10 of them. Simon, stop retracting your messages. Check the pressure sensor first. Yeah, this is where it starts getting awkward for me. It's staying at AC, it's not going to DC. Alright, now we're on DC. Whoops. Alright, we're on DC. What am I in? I'm in some sort of settings. There you go. Lowering the voltage. Not getting anything. I'll take it. Do I need power? Probably. Oh, power is on. We are getting power. Sample rate, you reckon it's the... Oh. Okay, I think I need to use the ground from there, not from the negative pad of the... So I'm getting a signal there. Shit. This is awkward. Oh, I can't do this. I hate it. Let's turn off the power. Solder it down. Okay, now I've got something I can clamp the ground to. There. There you go. Now I should be able to use the auto function maybe. Oh, better turn it on. Okay, we're getting something. Read. We're getting 1 hertz frequency. We're getting something at 1 hertz. Do you want me to apply pressure? It's not going to get anything different. Use jump wire for ground. Yeah, I've done that. Need to increase vid. Well, it's only 1 hertz. It's not changing. Oh no, I'm not even getting the hertz frequency anymore. Why has it changed? That was before. It's DC signal you want. If it's DC signal, you won't get frequency. What do you mean? Volt should be in microvolts range. If it's DC, you won't get a frequency. So I need an AC still. I still need it in AC. I thought that's only for audio. Alright, I'll change it back to AC. Still get nothing anyway. And it changes it back to DC. You won't get a frequency reading from a DC signal. Oh, you're not looking for a frequency. What am I looking for then? Voltage, VPP, or Vmax? You have to probe the output of the op amp. Okay. But I'm not looking for a frequency, of course. I'm looking at Vmax, 2.8 volts, 2.9. I'm guessing that's what the Vmax is. Let's just show me the... And then I could change the time, and not the voltage, the time to a more closer one. 2.9 to 2.7. It's all over the place still. 3 volts, 2.8, 2.6. It's jumping all over the place. You can see it's going down, up, and then jump back down. That still not showed me anything. I saw that on the multimeter, so I don't know why I'm using an oscilloscope. We saw this with the multimeter, so what's the purpose of the oscilloscope? I'll go to pin 2 and 3 on here. That's all over the place. Well, 2.6 stable. 2.6 volts stable. I don't know why there's a dip in it. Pin 3, that was pin 2, is also 2.55, almost 2.6. But that's not very stable. It's a bit ripply. Then output is all over the place. But I knew that anyway with my multimeter. Like I said, I don't know why we're using an oscilloscope. Ben, this is a caravan weight control. It's not measuring the weight. Yeah, digital scale that shows 0 kilograms all the time. The one with the dip is causing the output. The one with the dip, that's the negative then. So the one with that weird flickery dip. I can't get any closer than that. That's annoying. I wish I could zoom into that. So I take it we want a really flat line, but where that's got weird lumps, that's an issue. That's where it's spiking. Great, now I'm not getting anything. What? Why is it turned off? Oh, it's turned off. I guess it's got a timer on it. Yeah, it's back on now. So that's what's causing the issue, is it? Probably due to the ground. Might be interference. What volts per div? Don't know what div is. You're calling me a div. Press the plate while measuring. Careful when putting the ground probe on the board.
What?
What, you want me to measure the input or the output? Let's do the output. It's not changing. It's not changing. We know it's not changing. Oh, yes, it is. Is it changing? Yeah, it's doing something different. See, it's doing that. If I press it, you've got that fluctuation there. We know that. But pressing it, it changes. But that could just be because... Yeah, it's calling me a div. A div is a div. Duh. A division? Oh, division. When you mean per div, you're on about these things. We get a 2.2 volts on this one. Why is it so blurry for you guys? And then on the other one, we're also getting 2.2 volts. 2.25 volts. 2.2 volts. Now, let me zoom in. Why? The camera shouldn't be that high. Yeah. They're called divisions. No, per box on the scope. Oh, I've got it set. I don't know if you could read that. You can't. I've got it set to 1 volt at 15 nanoseconds for the time. What is U8? U8? U8 is, I think, is a voltage regulator on it. 1 volt. Oh, that means, oh. I think that's the lowest I could have gone for the voltage. No, it's not. I could go lower. So, did that prove anything with the oscilloscope? Is it turned off again? No. It is doing something when I push down on it, but it's not really amplifying it. The voltages are just constant. Oh, oscilloscope is the wrong tool for this. Oh my god. I know. It's not amplifying the voltage whenever I press on this, so the OP amp, I guess, not doing its job. Simple as that. Surely it should change your voltages. Ah. Should I just order an op amp? See what goes on. See what happens. Oh, I put the bloody thing away, not the oscilloscope. Alright, I'm going to probably order a new chip. Don't know if it's going to fix it. And then I'll tell the customer. I'll leave that tape there. I don't think that's going to affect anything. If anything, it will keep it more stable. Mate, there's no AC sine voltage to check. No, I know. It's not audio. Well, I can't remember who told me to get the oscilloscope out. I was in DC mode anyway. Me. Oh. There was no... I had it on DC anyway, and we were checking the voltage, and it was just showing the same thing as the multimeter did. If anything, the multimeter was showing it quicker. £200, Mike. $200. How am I going to do this? This is going to be annoying. Keep my finger behind it. Try and keep it still. Yeah, that works. Okay. The scope is a tool to show changes in voltages much quicker. Well, mine didn't. Mine was pretty slow. Oh, I guess you could tell by the lines or whatever. I don't know. You could follow the line rather than the text on the screen. I see what you mean, yeah. Makes sense now. It's nice to try different things with the scope, I guess. Oh, shit. It's a spiritual problem. Yeah. It's not me farting, by the way. It's still my chair. Just a few more to go. We got a power. We got a power supply after this. A mobility scooter. It makes me laugh though when people say, "Oh, I'm not willing to spend much on it because I could just buy a new one for 90 quid." Okay, buy a bloody new one for 90 quid then. What? Apparently I'm missing one. Oh yeah, there. Repairing is more fun than buying a new one. Yeah, of course it is. I enjoy it. That's true though. Let's see if this works. I know it won't. Nothing's changed. Apart from me taping that wire down. 0 kilograms. Still 0. Total. No, it's not registering anything. Cool. Okay. Whatever. I'll order a new OP amp. Right. So he used ChatGPT to help him fix it. He said apparently there's an internal fuse under a black box thing, and he said apparently ChatGPT told him to change that. Well, I told him fuses blow for a reason. That won't probably fix it. The CPU's not getting any signals for the sensors. Right, you are. Fart command not available on this channel? No. Title. This is a mobility. Hopefully I can spell that right. Scooter PSU. Or charger, power supply, charger thingy. Oh, I forgot to write in what the issue is. No power. Okay. Cool. Let's get my dim bulb tester to see if the capacitors are charging, to see if it's AC or DC side. Okay. All right. Power off. Plugged in. I'll get his cable. Been pat tested as well. I said, well, when you got it pat tested, was it working? He goes, well, that's the funny thing. I was like, what? And then he just said he knows what pat testing is. So how can they pat test something that doesn't work? Where did you get that from? Where did I get what from? Well, oh, this. I built it myself with the help of chat. Because wiring stuff like that's confusing for me. Yeah, it was a very fun stream building this, wasn't it? It's a nightmare. Absolutely hated it. Right, here we go. Are we going to get any power? 3, 2. I don't know, Arion. That's what I guess confusing. 3, 2, 1. No, it's dead. So even the capacitor's not getting charged inside. Zilch. Okay. Okay, that's good to know. That means I'm going to have to keep using that to save me blowing it up, because I've repaired one of these before and it ended up being 3 items. I think it was a green, I'm not sure what it was, a little green thing that exploded. It was the fuse. I think it was a bridge rectifier and something else that blew as well. I can't remember what. Plug fuse okay? Pain in the arse. He said it is, but light bulb saves lives. Yeah. It saves me tripping my electrics, although I still got it to trip a couple of times with it in. Yeah. Fuse is A-OK. I remember that game. Well, oh, is it a game? Is it? Oh, Fuse. My input's this side. I want to try and get into this side. My repair ad attracted a girl who asked if I take other payment methods. She said, service for service. I told her, sorry, I don't. I've never known if she was going to mow my lawn or wash my car. Very good. 3, 2, 1, and it was a game show. Oh, was it? Oh. Thank you. I didn't know that. Oh, 8-bit, you're disgusting. Right, I think I could probably... Might have to take this casing off as well, so I could get to the tops. Yeah, they separate into 2, don't they? Does it separate into 2? Okay, let's just undo everything. Thanks, Mike. Yep. Disclaimer. It's okay, I've only ever shot myself twice now, I think. Push finger in first. Okay, I will. Alright, that comes off. Okay, so that's... Obviously, it's before that. Yeah, this separates into. Yeah, it separates into two. Okay, so I'm gonna have to take the sides off. Oh, goes through a MOSFET, I think. No, it doesn't. Good. Best way is to use the isolation transformer, go into Variac, and then to the dim bulb tester. Oh, is it? I will not be doing that. Oh, this one's a really long one. What does that go through? That one spins indefinitely. We upside down? Yeah, we're upside down. What did that go into? Oh, it went into there. Right. Okay. So. There's the bridge rectifier. Do you reckon the bridge is dead? Bridge rectifier's there. Still got a screw in there. Let me take the whole board out. It's not even getting to the big cap, so. Big black box, he said, is the fuse. Where the hell's the fuse? This big black box. I don't see no big black box. Unless he's thinking this thing. I don't know. Damn it. Right, that's that out. What? Yes, isolation transformer saves lives. Oh. And don't forget the fire on that. All right, Schmick. That board shouldn't have slide out, Andy. Oh, well, it does. It does not, no. I take that back. It's just got two screws there and potentially... Oh, yeah, here. What is this? That's not even screwed down to anything. Oh, it's supposed to have been. Okay. Oh, and this one. All right, okay, I see what's going on. Where's my tweezers? Yeah. Okay, they're just little pressure plates. So we've got a screw underneath this goo. I see some rust in there. That's like 3 optocouplers. Yeah. That's not near the end though. We're not even getting power before that, so. So, what? Where's the 4th screw then? I don't see the 4th screw. Or unless it's because it's attached to... this. Oh, it must be a 4th screw. Over here. Oh, it's underneath there. Cheeky. Yeah, there it is. Little ship. That PSU looks doggy. Yeah, man. I know you said dodgy. It's fine. Right, I've got to remember which oh no, I don't need to remember which orientation it goes at. Are you kidding me? What's stopping it from coming out? Is it this goo? Probably. There. Everything that's connected to the glue. Yeah, there you go. It's the glue that's affecting it. Ah! Right, I think that's it. Any more glue? It's not dangerous. There's no power even going to the capacitor, so it's not going to go. Not going to zap me. A what? Sandstorm Bluetooth DAB radio. My radio suddenly stopped working. It still shows the time, but nothing else works. Interesting. Yes. Someone hot glued it in. I don't know. I don't see any hot glue down there. It's mostly coming out. Nah, this is a slidey jobby. I've got to slide it out. I can't lift it past this lip. So, there we go. Oh, see that burn mark? Rip. That's not good, is it? Something went kabang. What do you reckon it is before I flip it over? Somewhere around here. Something's gone bang. I don't know what that could be under there. Diode? Let's have a look. Always good to slide in and out. Hell yeah, Don. Oh, fuck. The current sense resistor. We got water damage. I said it looks a bit rusty this side. Okay. Let's have a look, see. I think that's what blew. Could it be because of the diode? Or could it be because of...
Oh no!
The transistors? Probably. Transistors are there. It looks a bit burny down there as well, doesn't it? Could be wrong. Water damage? Yeah, water damage is over here, look. See, a little bit of rusty and crusty. Where's the input and output? Input's this side. Which goes to these resistors here. And then it goes through lots of other stuff, through the bridge rectifier, which is along here, through the bridge rectifier, through this, through that, through this, yeah, and everywhere else. First, let me measure that. Obviously blown resistor. Do you reckon that's probably even going to blow open? It's not even going to measure. You think the cat pissed on it? Zoom out. Oh. Inputs this side. outputs here where it's all rusty and water damaged. But it's okay on the other side. From what I can tell, it's just the underneath here. But it's the input that's blown. Obviously, I will clean up and test the output. Let's have a look. First, start off with... Actually, well, it won't blow these input and negative and neutral and live because it didn't blow my meter up. Yeah, we're in the mega ohms there, look. Yeah, look at that, it's definitely gone. In the mega ohms. Oh, the kilo ohms. Going up though. Yeah. Right, let's check this diode. Diode is in the mega ohms. 758 kilo ohms. Oh, this diode's okay then. That's shocking. I thought that would be short. What about these three? Yeah, it's the transistors, man. I knew it would be. It's always that bridge rectifier. Oh, that's short as well. Or does that go to a coil? No, this is short too. But that could be because of these. There's another one over here. That one's don't know if that's the same. Might be a complete different component. What's under here? Let's have a look at this. Oh god, a stupid glue. The only way to do it is take off components and see when the short goes. Or just inject voltage into it. Oh, got it. Yeah, what's this thing? MOSFET. It's a one way, no, a way on. Probably a MOSFET. Yeah, all three of those legs are short. Fuck off, chair. That's where the burn marks were on the inside of the case? No. Burn marks is the current sense resistor. This is that MOSFET that I'm talking about. I believe it's short on all three. Yeah. Oh, yeah, way on. Way on! Quality. Right, I've got to go for a tinkle. Sorry. I'm going to pee myself. La 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 la.
Bleh. Bleh. Bleh.
Don't cry. It's okay. Smells nice and fruity in here. Chat would be nice with audio. David, hello. Stop retracting your messages. La la la. Shut up, Ross. Okay, so I guess to begin with, I'm going to remove that because that's our obvious short. I don't know if the bridge rectifier is short as well or not. I mean, these two are short together, but like maybe that's short. It's going to be a few components blown on here. What about these guys? That one looks like some sort of diode actually anyway. Let's check this quick. No, that's safe. So it could... Alright. I think I do have some of those. I don't know about... Yeah, let me just take this off first. Yeah, I know he doesn't. I know he doesn't want to spend much. Alright, let's get this off first. Where did my stray bit of solder go? Well, that's gone. Oh, for God's sake. Hate boards that won't stay still. Stay still. Okay, let me pull on it. Sorry, you can't really see. Will I have to use low melt on this? Probably. Being 3 pins. Oh no, it's coming out. It's getting hot though. Ow, it's getting really hot. Come on, you're almost out. You're almost out. Getting high on solder fume. Oh, I know, I should be using my fume extractor. I don't use it enough. There we go. Well, I'm almost out. It's literally on its last legs. Shut up, Sean. There we go. Cheese. Do I, Dirty Tech? Huh? Do I? Right, hopefully the short's gone on here. That'll do. It's got most of it. Slop Tech, hello. How are you? Low melt solder not required, just burn your fingers. Yeah, I know it's not required, but right, let's see if that short's gone. Would it be funny if it was just that and the current resistor thingy? Oh no! Have I just taken off the wrong one? I think I've taken off the wrong one. You bastard! Oh, you donkey! It's this one I needed. It's a complete different component. Damn it. Jesus Christ. But now I'm struggling to put it back on. Oh. Poor donkey. I know I'm a donkey. Donkey. What a bloody donkey. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Now you guys can't see what I'm doing, apart from melting plastic. Right, is that good enough to go through? Maybe that middle leg.
And he's the best.
Yeah. Fancy having multiple of the same type of component. Ugh. Now I've got to go through all that pain again, trying to take the other one off. Right. There's still one hole that's not fully clear. So if I just heat that up, it should poke itself through. Hello. You going through? No, you're not. Why? Why you're not poking yourself through? Maybe if I add solder and push up. Come on. Is it because of another leg? No, they're going through fine. Why is this one not going through? Oh, there you go. Now it is. Okay. There. Ah, now I'm going to take this one off. Which is going to be even more difficult because the legs are more spread. Handy, make sure the transistor hole's lined up with the case, otherwise you won't be able to screw it back in. Yeah, I know what you're saying. I mean, it's bottomed out on this plastic casing anyway, so I'm assuming that's as low as it could go. It's like this other components that are bottomed out. I see what you're saying. It's the same height as this one here, so thank you, Sid. I mean, Mike. Yeah, spread. Right, let's get this one off. Come on. Come on, spread. Ugh. Ah. Ow, ow. Nah, I'm going to use low melt. There's no point me putting myself through this pain, is there? Got plenty of it. This is fast chip. Recommended by Toltec Merc. Just there. Too much glare. Let's try to turn that down. Oh, I guess I can't because it's not level. No, it's not level. Oh, well. Look how low melt that is. It's crazy. Oh, I could probably pull it out now. I'm just playing with it. Yeah, there we go. Ow! Still burnt myself. Ow. Tip too tiny? No, this tip does everything for me. One tip does plenty. Use pliers? Yeah, I should have done. A bit of solder landed on my hand, that's all. Suck it up, buttercup. Is that all of it? Yeah. Mostly. This is a lot to suck up. There you go. That one there still looks a bit iffy, doesn't it? There you go. Toltec's not here. What are you on about? What are you saying later Toltec for? He's not going. I know he's probably lurking. Right. Now that's off. And my desk is a mess. Let me see if the short's gone. Here we go. Yeah, short's gone. Let's check this. Right, that is blown. Now, is this still blown? It is. The bridge rectifier is still showing as short. I think everything else is fine. R200. I don't think it reads up to 200 ohms in continuity. Oh, wait. Why did that not beep at me then? R200? I thought that would be like 200 ohms or 2 ohms. Strange. Yeah, there's no short on here anymore. Yeah, fault fact. Well, one of the faults, yeah, that is usually these that cause everything else to blow. So that definitely needs changing. And no, I'm gonna have to take the bridge off to make sure if that's normal or not. I mean, it usually isn't on a rectifier. I might have a spare rectifier. Don't know if I've got a spare one of these, whatever these are. Way on, well, it depends what not temperatures. What are they called? Rating it is. I might have some. Let's just test, see what it says anyway. 2, 1, and 3. Now let's do 1, 1, 2, and 3. Can't even get it in there, to be honest. 1, 2, and 3. There you go. It's going to show up as like 0 ohm resistors. Bye, Falcon. Shut up. Shut up, used to. Yeah, there you go. We've got a 0 ohm resistor. So that's good. Let's use low mount to take this off. You got me then, you little shit. Falcon never goes. What? Yeah, there you are. Falcon's always lurking. Welcome back, Falcon. You got this, Andy. Thank you. I like power supplies. They're usually easy to repair. Now, it just depends if the guy wants to go ahead with the cost of it. Ugh, way too much loom out there. Can I carry some over? No. There you go. Okay, I think that should be enough. How long will this take him? Probably 10 minutes. If you know what you're doing, power supplies can be great fun to experiment with. Right, here we go. How quick? Go. Wait, that should have come off by now. Why is this still coming off? Ow. Pliers, please. It's fine. I've got tweezers. I can push down in the hole. All right. All right, let's move on to something better. Ouch. Ouch, that's really hot. Ow, 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 that's burning me. Jesus, slow down. Why? Why? What's stopping it from coming out? Seriously. The solder's still wet. Hello, devil. The solder is still wet though. Well, now it's solidified. There we go. Finally, little shit. Right, is the short still there? Oh, bye, Glisha. Sorry, thank you. Glue, maybe? No, it doesn't look like there's glue on it. I did slightly melt the posts. Sounds like you're replacing ship with shit. I am. I'm replacing shit with ship. Right, here we go. We're getting 0 ohms? No. Okay, so the bridge rectifier was short. Damn it. That's another bloody... Yeah. No way. So, oh, and there. It's blue there and there. And there and there. Crazy. Nah. I think the big cap will be fine. However, I don't know about this end. Slight liquid damaged. I think we're safe though. Just need to clean that up. That obviously resistor's blown because too much current went straight through it. So this is a KBU 806. I think I may have them.
And he's the best.
Thank you. Right, let's take off this 100 ohm resistor. It's R100, so I'm assuming that is 100 ohm. Second fault found. No. What you saying, Carful? What? Oh, it's a R1 0.1 ohm. Oh. Thank you. Right, he wants to save cost, so I'm going to put in a jumper wire. Sorry. Oh, no, it's glued down. And it's, well, that broke in half. There you go. Well, there's one half. There's the other half. So 3 faults. I'm pretty sure the rest will be okay. Let's clean up this area. Sorry, it's going to have glare because it's at an angle. Funny enough. Just going to try clean it up. I won't put in... I'm just joking. Jesus Christ. Ah, you fuck. That other side of the board's hot. I think it was just got away with that. I mean, I could add some more solder to these to get rid of the rust. The other side looks mint. Nice. Okay. So first off, I guess let me see what this is. N channel MOSFET, 80 volts. I don't know. Oh, it's getting hot in here. Fuck, I need to open my door. Oof. is hot in here. Bloody hell. Oh. Why is it expensive? Do a plop. Yeah. Oh, I've ordered a guitar for my PS3 so I can play Guitar Hero again, right? It cost 50 quid. It's quite a lot. I had a phone call this morning, 8:45. I didn't answer it. It was to my business account. No, was it my business? I think it was my business number. And they left a voicemail. So around 9 o'clock-ish, 9:30, after I dropped off my daughter, I listened to it. And it was only the eBay seller called me and said, hi, we've got a bit of an issue with your order. So if you give me a call back on blah, 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 that would be great. I was thinking, never contact outside of eBay. So I messaged them in eBay, say, hi, I've got a phone call from you. I said, I'd rather talk through eBay messages for my records. And then basically they said, hi, they accidentally sent 2 orders to me instead of 1. And they're asking if I could ship it back. I said, yeah, I'll do that. Obviously, at their expense. KB806 is a beast. I believe it can handle 600 volts, 300 amps. Yeah, I think I've got them. Sorry, yeah, let me look this up. I was too busy chatting. Was it WML 15N channel 80. I know that's not always the case. M3. All right, so this is N channel MOSFET. £1.80. Why is it not showing me the schematics? Oh, 800 volt. Oh, 800 volts at 15 amps. Why is it backwards? Okay, so I was close. It's 800, so that 80 is 800. 15 is the wattage. Amps even. 800 volt, 15 amp. Now, do I have them? Mike? That's a good shout. I'd be very shocked if the fuse is dead. Where is the bloody fuse? Is it this big thing? Must be. Yeah. That's got to be the fuse there. There and there. Or is it their jumper wires? Is it that yellow thing? It says there's 2 of them. They look more like capacitors though. They look like caps. I don't think there is a fuse on it. Oh, there it is. F1. There's the fuse. Sorry, yeah, duh. Directly at the live line. Dickhead. Douchebag. Sorry. Yeah, it's the caps. Ah, yeah, the fuse is gone too. Fuck. Forgot about that. GG. And the black shit. Yeah. That's another fault as well then. Let's get that off. I'm going to do this real quick, real fast. Always professional. Has anyone watched that? Those guys who do building work, they're always shaking and then they do dodgy shit. And they're like, that's how you do it. Real quick, real fast. Always professional. It's quite funny. They're always like proper shaken up. So AI was right. The fuse, what? Yeah, Castle. Yeah. Get out, you donkey. Thank you. And this one. Out. Got one leg out. There you go. Well, the fuse either stopped the fire. Wow, it exploded. So it took a long time to burn. All right, that's 4 components failed. Damn. All this for 90 quid. Right, what value is it? I've got plenty of fuses, so it doesn't matter. Are you AI? No. Don, what do you mean? I don't like that. Don't like what? If you fit a fuse without using a fuse holder, you have to solder on the wires fast. I've never blown a fuse by heat, Ariane. Never. Around £90, they said, Slop. If you add all these parts up, plus shipping, plus labour, plus obviously fault finding as well. Sometimes it's just not worth it. Or I have to just bite the bullet and be like, yeah, it's going to be this cheap. Yay or nay, which is always the case. And then I get told I'm too cheap. Wow, how Glasslinger fits a fuse. He solders the wires directly to the fuse. Plus our time. Plus your time. Yeah, Mike, you got it. Yep. Of course, it's wasting your guys' time too. Right, I've got these little bitty fuses. Pretty sure I do. Can't read what that says. Right, what are we saying? We have... What's that? Timed 5 amp. T5 amp L. 250 volt T5 amp. I don't think I have 5 amp ones. Do I have 5 amp ones? Timed ones? What's this one? I might change the style slightly. 250 at 4 amps. Damn it. Might be good to put a lower amp in there anyway. Blow quicker. Ah, yeah, see? Told you I had a pack of them. Are these 5 amps? Please be... Yeah, they are. I saw a 5. Unless that's 250. Crap. Yeah, just bridge it. I mean, it blows other components anyway. Yeah, that's true, Russ. Hello, Garrett. Oh, no, these are only 3.15s. Damn it. Not high enough. So I'll have to order more of them. Right, so now I'm looking for N channel 800 volts. Actually, I won't order more of these. I'll just use a normal fuse. I don't know what the differences are between this and the other ones anyway. I have a 6 amp one here. That's cool. Do you know the max wattage of the device? The amps is 8 amps. Holy shit. 24 volts, 8 amps. So why did they only put a bloody 5 amp fuse in then? If the output's 8 amps. Oh, that's the output, not really how much it'll pull input. The difference is that these have soldered legs. Yeah, I could solder my own legs. I've done it before. It's not fun, but I've done it. Right, I knew I've got some MOSFETs in here somewhere. If not, I'll go look into my other drawer. Sorry. Oh yeah, look, see, there's one. What MOSFET's this? I don't know what that is. This is 25 volts at 4 amps. Oh yeah, I've already looked at that. See, it's more easier for me to order new parts than it is to hunt for parts that I've already bought, because I am unorganised. Thanks for keeping stuff going to landfill. What do you mean? I haven't repaired it yet. There's so many blown components. Fucking hell. Can hear cars. Omo, you're back. Good morning. Though I'm not sure if it's morning where you are though. No, it's not. It's the early afternoon, like 1 o'clock, 1:27. Right, that's no good. Actually, what is that anyway? Don't know. I'm not typing that large number in there. I could just use my component tester. That'll tell me. Ceramic confuses contain what? 3, 1, 2, 3. No, I can't do that. 2, 3, and 1. Yeah. Sand. Oh, right, yeah. Why is that? Can you not measure these then? What do you mean? Why? This isn't short, is it? Why would it let me test these? What? 30 ohms. That's low, isn't it? That's not right. That's a thyristor. Oh, okay. That's fine then. Thermal resistor. That's fine. Right. Anyway, let me have a look at my box. See what I've got in here, including bridge rectifiers. All right, we've got some. See, this could be it. BJ. No, 8J. What was the last 2 digits on there? So that's beefy. 806. Not 806. These are... Oh, KBUs. I might have one of them. See, what's this? KBU. That's too small. No, it's not the same size. This is a 1510. I think this is a bag from Phil. A what? So is that the same rating? 1510. Let's have a look. KBU 806. You said that was at 800 volt, right? KBU 806. 8 amps. Eight amps bridge rectifier, single phase. What's the voltage though? It'll be 250, obviously. So that's 8 amps, okay. So what's the 1510? KBU 1510. Oh, not. Oh, 10, 15, 25. Oh. So this is enough. This is perfect then. It's about your AC input. 10 amps? Yeah. The thing is a 5 amp fuse it will do. Yeah. Exactly. So this is good enough. 10, 15, 25, 35 amps. So this could be 10 or 15 amp, I don't know. Single phase bridge rectifier. So if that's only 8 amp, that's fine. That's slightly higher, so it'll handle it better. Hello back. Right, so we've got our bridge ready. We've got more of these. This is an N channel. 600. What was the other one? It was that 800, wasn't it? N channel 800. Let's see what this is. Damn it, that glare. HFS 2N60. What's that? 2 amps, 600 volts, maybe. HFS2N60. That's it. 600 volt N channel. I need an 800. Yeah, I know. Oh, it's N. Yeah, I need an N channel. I just need an 800 N channel, not a 600. So I may not have them. Oh, a little pack here. What's this? Ooh. No idea. Now, which one do I go by? I'll try S2600s first. That'll be a 600, won't it? Another 600. S2 600. Oh, no, that's not the thingy. Do I have to really type that long thing in? CLA 30E 1200 PB. Whoa. What is it then? There we go. 47 amp. Okay, I've got it here. Thyristor. Is this another Thyristor? Yeah, it doesn't say it's a MOSFET anywhere. Oh yeah, Thyristors. There you go. Ah, why have I got so many Thyristors? That's the bad one, isn't it? Yeah. This is the one we don't need. I don't think I have them. So I'm going to have to order that. I've got another bag somewhere. No, I have no more. Just tons of different bloody diodes. Nope. So out of my salvageable pack, all I've managed to get is a bloody bridge. Little... Wait, who said that? I never said that. Why would I say that? How's your back? Yeah, not bad. How hard is it to find one MOSFET? It bloody is when you ain't got many of them. None in there. Nah, I'm going to have to order some. Sad times. Can't have them all. Shit, I forgot about this. Donor power supply? No. Maybe. Let's have a look at my power supplies. Nothing on there. Yeah, my back's actually okay, the less I think about it. Nothing on this one. Actually, what's that? Got a TV motherboard here. Can't see what that says. Oh, I see 800. Could this be it? Could be not. Might not be. Oh no, it's a double diode. Fuck. Ah. Oh, there's two more over here unless they're the same. What's that? Oh no, they've got two legs as well. For fuck's sake. Nope. Series X power supply. Oh, they're going to be a mission to get even into. Fuck getting that. Right, there's another power supply here. What's this? What's this one? Oh, okay, got a power supply here. It's a TV power supply, probably one on the heatsink somewhere. Don't know. What's this one? Why can't I read that? Okay, Oh, they got 2 legs as well. Why are they all got bloody 2 legs? There's a 3-legged one there. Let's get that out of the way. Get out of the way. Oh, that's not going to be it either. Can't even read what that is. It's a diode. I can't even see. You say the one? Oh, the one's under the heatsink. No. Oh, yeah, it could be. No. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna have to order it. It's easier for me to bloody order parts than it is to do that. It's two legs is a diode. Yeah, the one next to it had 3 though, perhaps. Nope. I'm gonna have to give him a quote and see if he wants me to go ahead because it's 4 components gone. Obviously, that's the original one. Yeah, it's the wrong thing, Arion. Yeah, it's the wrong thing. Oh, that's it then for me today. Yeah, 4 components. Bridge rectifier, fuse, resistor, and a MOSFET. What's the problem he's trying to fix or this given board? Blown power supply. I've got a new bridge rectifier I could throw in, but the rest I haven't got. You're welcome. I'm gonna price up the parts and then give him a quote. You're welcome. Thank you. Sorry for the short stream. I haven't got much in anymore. It's really quiet this week. Thank you, Ariane. Bye, worms. You're welcome, mate. Bye. Thanks, everyone. Thanks to all the lurkers who's watching. I am really sorry to end it on this note, but I can't really proceed any further. Yeah, sort of productive. Yeah, not bad. Thanks, Russ. Bye, Rick. Bye, Phil. Pete Pitco. Was it only a 3.5 hour stream? Not bad. Not bad. Thanks, Claw Slug. Forced Penguin. Hello. I didn't know you were lurking. Bye, Pabs. Thank you, Carthor. I don't ignore your message. Bye, Sid. Thanks for joining in as well. Right, I think that's everyone now. Nope, we've got Farm Tech as well. Ricochet, Slop Tech. Thank you. Yes, thanks, Rico. Do you start the same time daily? No, I don't. Rude. GT Auto, I didn't see you there. Sorry, mate. No, I just start. It's usually I'll try and start around 11 a.m. my time, but sometimes I do it before. It depends how I feel, but around this time, maybe slightly later. Okay, I'm going. Yeah, I'm going in 3, 2. Thank you, Don. Nice to see you, mate. 1. Bye, Fuzzy. Bye, guys.